Let's go, bro. 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 That's right. Get your gun. Get your gun loaded. So yeah, now you guys heard on my phone. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference or not. But we're gonna shoot my two little brothers. They have a Nerf gun. And yeah, so we're gonna see how they feel. Ready? Let's get it. Ready? You got my arm. You got my arm. Whoa. No, no, you don't. No.
Yeah.
No.
See, it has nothing. Ah! My balls! Oh, balls! I told you to stop this. My balls! You only shot me once. Oscar, you said only once and you only shot me once. Hey, not me! You already got me! You said you were gonna get me once! Ow! On my phone! It's right there. No, you wanna shoot the
Grab your phone. Grab your phone.
No! Ow! No! No! Oscar, don't shoot me! You already shot me twice! Ow! You haven't shot him twice! Shoot him! Hey!
Alright, so yeah. Get out of here. So yeah, this is what the gun comes in. This is what the gun looks like. This is what the box looks like. And it has a little ball here that comes with it. And this is what the actual gun looks like in real life. It's right here. You see it's loaded with 11 balls. It holds 12 balls, but I need to find one. And it also comes with 24 little balls in the bag. So out of there's my little balls in here. It's got the little aiming point right there. Right here, you guys see it right here. It only shoots 2 bullets out of 1 hole. But I don't know why they have that there. It makes it just look cool. Right here, it's got the slide door thingy in case it gets jammed. You know, you take out the little ball and then, you know, or you can see it, you can leave it open. So then when you load it and you shoot it, you see the ball go through perfectly fine. Yeah, and then it's powerful loading watch. You gotta load it like hard, otherwise it's gonna get stuck halfway. And it's got the safety mode and then the shooting mode. It also right here, it's got the thing where like you hook it up and then this thing comes out like that. This thing you can put it like an angle, put it down, and then you just like put it in there like that. Simple as that. It goes in perfectly fine. And then all you gotta do is just go like this and then you shoot it. And then yeah, you just shoot it. So yeah, thank you for being here. What's it called? Yeah, so don't forget to like the video, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down the videos what you guys want to see, and I will hit you guys back up later. Peace. Take care. Be happy and have fun.